video. Today is day 6 of 35-day challenge. We are going to solve this question. Let's read this question. You have given a number and you have to create this pattern. You have to take input from the user and constraints are 1 equal to 1 less than equal to n and less than equal to 100. And now there is a constraint change in this question that also n should be odd. So our input is sample input is 5 and this will be our sample output. So let's discuss this pattern first. In the first row there are two spaces, 1 star. In second row there is 1 spaces, 3 star. In third row 0 spaces, 5 star. In fourth row 1 space, 3 star. In final 2 spaces, 1 star. So we can observe one pattern that in first two the spaces are getting low and the stars are getting high, and after one step the spaces are getting low, are getting high, and stars are getting low. From where it is happening? It is happening from the third row. So for this we can say that we can take SP as spaces as n by 2 and ST equal to 1. So now we have to use for loop. For I equal to 1, I less than equal to n, I less than equal to n, I plus plus, I plus plus. This will print the star that we know. Now let's check if this will print like whatever the value of n, it will print according to the uh, output. Let's system.out.println as sp and st. So in next part we have to now we in this we have to use if, because there are two parts of this pattern, so we have to use if I is less than equal to n by 2, then sp minus minus and st plus plus, else sp plus plus, st minus minus. I hope this pattern, this solution is clear to you. Now let's start coding with this part and check whatever we have discussed it is correct or not. Now let's move to the VS Code. I've already written some of the commands so that it will save our time, and we have specified sp equals to n by 2 and st equal to 1. So now let's write for loop for I is equals to 1. Now let's write the for loop for I equals to 1, I less than equal to n, I plus plus I plus plus uh, I plus plus. Then move on to the next line. Here for j equals to 1, j less than equal to st, j plus plus j plus plus system dot out dot println, sorry, print, this will print space, sorry, for sp, and for st, for saving our time I'm just copying it, but you have to type it by your own, so this will increase your practice. For j equals to 1, j less than equal to st, then in this we have to print star, so star slash t. Now coming out of this loop, if now coming out of these loops, if I less than equal to n by 2, then sp will decrease and st will increase, whereas in else part sp will increase and st will decrease. System dot out dot system dot out dot print ln. Let's run this code and check whether we have written the right solution or not. Before that we have to save it. Then let's run this code. Now let's check. uh, there is one error, just we have to resolve it, and then we will be the the class name should be the same as the name of the file. So our file name is xt.java, so it has to be xt, class name should be xt. Let's save it, then we have to run the code. Now it's running. Let's hope we did not find any error now. Now we have not find any error. Let's type 5. Yeah, now we are getting the same solution that that was asked in that question. Now I hope this question is clear to you. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. That's all for this video. Thank you.